Hello everyone and welcome to another Smart Arts Weekly Challenge video. My name is Jake and today I'm going to be doing the third weekly challenge for this month, that word being wind. I could blow away any minute now. Oh, I'm told that was the fan was just on. Never mind, but in case I do get blown away, let's get into this painting. So coming into this piece, I knew I wanted to have something that had to do with like leaves blowing in the wind. So knowing that, I went in with this blue to really set a dark blue night sky. I thought the night sky would work really well because then I could use a really stark black silhouette of a tree and not have to mix any browns or anything for this piece to make that tree. And having this idea of maybe like the moon in the sky is helping illuminate the leaves in the sky. And this piece helps really bring out that fall feel that's going on right now out there. Well, maybe it's going on out there where you live. Where I live, we've already had snow and it killed all the colorful leaves. So that was pretty sad. So with the moon, I thought it would be really cool to kind of have the leaves stencil silhouette show up as the white highlights in the moon. I thought this would really play well with the theme of this painting and would be a really fun way to incorporate the stencil in this piece. Now, so one little fun fact and trick that I used when it came to making the leaves, and you'll see that in just a second, but all I did was I took a bunch of Q-tips and bunched them up together so I could use them as almost like a stamp to make the leaves. It has a very cool sense of predictability and unpredictability when you stamp it down. Since they shift and fray slowly as you're adding paint to it, it really kind of makes each area look slightly different each dab. But the piece is almost done, so stick around for the end result. Alright everyone, that is our completed piece using the word wind. This piece was a lot of fun to make, but let me know what you guys think down below. Now don't forget about the other weekly challenge prompts. If you don't know where they are, check the back of your brochure that you got in your box. They're going to be right on the bottom in the back. And make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you don't miss videos like this one where I try to tackle these challenges myself. Also, if you enjoy my work, make sure to check me out over at my personal channel over at Naughty Egg Draw. The link is going to be in the description. But that is all for today, everyone, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!